Hola. Hello, my angels, my dears. This is Angel, and welcome to my channel and to another video. For the channel's third selection for Tropical Drinks Month, I have for you today a mock Portuguese sangria. Now, the reason I call it mock is that it's missing one liquor, one alcoholic beverage that's normally in a Portuguese sangria, and that is brandy. This is a short video because it's a very easy recipe to make. Very limited ingredients, and so I'll let you get to it. I truly hope you enjoy it, and I will talk to you later. Sangrias are traditionally stirred, but I choose to make mine a slushy because it's summertime. Gotta ease that heat. Hey, be sure to check out the YouTube channels I recommend at the end of my description box. You'll love them just as much as I do, I'm sure. And once you visit them, just let them know I sent you. Oh, how easy, quick, and simple this sangria was to make. You know what I like about this recipe? Is that when I let the sangria sit, the slushy melts down, and it tastes so cool and refreshing. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all of my subscribers, both here in the United States and those who are watching internationally across the world. I thank you so much for taking the time out of your schedule to watch my videos, to like, to comment, even to share. You guys are so special to me. I truly appreciate your time. Obrigado. Thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you like this recipe and this video, be sure to give me a like. That's going to be a thumbs up. Share on all the media platforms. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. And leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of it. If you like this video, be sure you return next week to see what the next tropical drink will be for the channel. Be a blessing to someone today. And as always in parting, many blessings and much favor until we meet again. I'll see you next time.